I recently did a quick and easy room makeover for a friend.
I did their laundry room area, and it's a basic builder grade area where you walk in through the garage and then you exit into the kitchen. So it also kind of functions as a mudroom.
I had a blank slate to work with, which is always super fun. I removed everything from the space and cleaned it really well. I used a paint stick. Simply add the tube to the side of a paint can, slide the paint stick onto the tube, and pull back. If paint doesn't pick up at first, try adjusting the angle. Squeeze the trigger and roll until paint works its way up through the roller. When you need more paint, squeeze the trigger again. I chose a very warm gray to complement the other colors in their home. When you are done painting, push the paint back into the can. I made a custom sign for the space by cutting out some vinyl to make a stencil. Originally, I was going to sand it a bit to make it look a little rustic, but I ended up liking the crisp black and white and left it that way. In other words, I could have just added the vinyl to the painted board, but oh well. I used some old fence pickets to make the floating shelf above the washer and dryer. I screwed them together using pocket holes and pocket screws. I painted the beadboard before installing, then I just had to nail it in place. I caulked the seams and puttied the nail holes. I also pre-painted the 1x4s that went on top. These got screwed into studs since I would be adding hooks to them later. Once the caulk and putty dried, I touched up the paint. Then it was time to decorate. Aside from the shelf above the washer and dryer, we also added a new cabinet, some new accessories, and we added some hooks. The shoe cabinet only sticks out from the wall about 8 inches, and it holds 16 pairs of shoes. I'll link to all of the products used in this room down below.
Don't forget to subscribe. I share lots of room makeovers and DIY projects.